I'd say the main benefit of us being at Futurebuild is to just expand the brand awareness of the energy technology list. So this is my second year attending personally, and I can really see the difference is tangible in the amount of people coming to the stand who know about the ETL, and that's exactly what we're trying to do as a team, and I can really see how that's working.
Obviously speaking, getting the chance to speak and share some knowledge about energy sharing and ambient loop systems. The DESNES talks have been really insightful. There was Minister Fambula over at the stage the other day. That was really good, and the launch from the Heat Pump Ready team last night was. It's really good to see the momentum building around low carbon heating systems and how we're going to make that transition. It's about having that platform to communicate and being seen. So, like having a stand like this at the show, where decision makers come around and look, and getting the chance to talk to them on a one-to-one basis, but also going to the speeches, listening and learning about what other things are going on that spark ideas, and the networking events that you get to do that. So it's all about being in and around the situation and learning and getting that chance to communicate out.
Is understanding what's happening in the sector. There's a lot of policy change going on, and there are a lot of great companies here talking about how their businesses are reacting to policy change. And it's important for us to know how those businesses, especially heat pumps, are reacting to those changes, and how can we help those businesses be better by use of our technology. And the best thing that happened was I was involved in, as you know, a presentation earlier on, a kind of panel session, and there were 3 very diverse organisations in that, all to some extent competing against each other, but actually we agreed, which was unbelievable. You know, there's a place in this decarbonisation of our country for all technologies. We are part of that, absolutely we are part of that, but so are they, and we can all work together because there is no silver bullet solution to any of this.
One of my key areas is looking into heat networks, and heat networks, especially in recovering heat, you know, from areas like data centers, and they have a very good area here today, so that's great. Also, the knowledge that is ongoing around this expo is great, and therefore, you know, I'm here to hear that knowledge and actually see some old friends as well.
Trends in the sector, on the construction industry, have been very divergent recently, and I think from our point of view, from the energy efficiency side of things, we're definitely seeing a strong trend at the moment towards solar. So battery technology is something that is very high priority for a lot of people. Improved air source heat pump efficiency. We're seeing moves in that technology as well. We're also seeing people talking about district heating and centralised heating networks way more than they used to. So I think those are trends that are ongoing. We have seen companies using the energy technology list to find better solutions, more energy efficient solutions, technically superior solutions to issues that they've had across all types of construction projects and manufacturing projects. We would love to see it used by more people, and we think it's one of the most important lists that there are out there at the moment. Technical specification is absolutely essential to anyone involved in any technical projects. Having it in the energy technology list means that architects and specifiers have the ability to see exactly what they're doing. We're aware of the new technology, and we welcome it very strongly, and we recommend it to our members.
we've got some great examples of where we've used our technology in industry, but we haven't put it forward terribly much. And the ETL was the perfect opportunity to make sure that our technology was right, and you guys accepted it, and we went through a fairly rigorous process with you guys to make sure that our technology fitted the list. And it's important now that we sell that through to industry and make sure that we're no longer chucking energy literally down the drain.
And getting listed on the ETL is a great way to communicate that out to the different stakeholders who need different solutions for different applications and things that they're building.
It exposes us to a market that we're not already in, but we have a huge contribution to make. The ETL has given us credibility because of the rigorous questions that you asked at the application process. Well, it's important because it gives us credibility. It means that our own independent testing and the standards that we've set ourselves to are recognised through an organisation that is government funded, like the ETL.
We started with refrigeration display cabinets, which we had to work together on the standards and make sure that they were aligned. Then we moved on to evaporative air coolers. This is an important product in terms of energy efficiency for data centers and also other large industry areas. So that was key. Finally, we have recently just worked together on heat pumps, 5 stringent heat pump certification requirements and criteria, of which we've aligned together. So that's been really good and helpful. And it makes the visibility of the products for manufacturers and also decision makers key and transparent. ETL, Eurovent come together. We are performing, let's say, tests and verification on the same standards. So it's key for the manufacturer to be able to use the Eurovent and also the ETL program to promote that. Getting into the program, utilising Eurovent's test data, makes an easy path through into that. And then that allows the communication of ETL to promote that in the industry here in the UK.